Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by gathering what matters: admin credentials, ISP info, and a direct cable. Once connected to a LAN port, set your PC IP to 192, 168, 1, 10/24 if automatic addressing fails, then open 192, 168, 1, 1 in a browser or use the serial console. Change the default admin password immediately to a strong passphrase. This prevents easy compromise. Make sure to note the current firmware version so you can decide whether to update before continuing with network settings. You now configure the router's core. Start with the WAN mode, select DHCP, static IP, or PPPoE and paste ISP credentials. Verify link status. Next, define the LAN subnet and DHCP pool, reserving addresses for servers and printers so they keep stable IPs. Create VLAN for guest versus internal traffic, then add minimal firewall rules to block inbound threats while allowing established outbound sessions. Finally, enable NAT and test internal clients can reach the internet before moving to wireless and co-S. You finish by securing wireless. Name SSIDs clearly, enable WPA3 where supported, fall back to WPA2, and isolate the guest SSID from LAN resources. Save the configuration and export a backup file so you can restore quickly. Schedule firmware checks. Run connectivity and speed tests from wired and wireless devices, verify port forwards and DNS. If something breaks, key troubleshooting tip: if you can't reach the web UI, set your PC to the router's subnet, connect via serial or SSH, and perform a targeted reboot before factory reset.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.